हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल पार्ट टू सक्सेस। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट क्लर्क एग्जाम प्रैक्टिस सेट 5। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आती है तो आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। और अगर आपका टॉपिक इसमें कोई भी एमसीक्यूज में टॉपिक प्रिपेयर नहीं है तो एग्जाम से पहले उस टॉपिक को जरूर प्रिपेयर करें। अब हम कर रहे हैं जनरल नॉलेज का क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट, select the incorrect statement regarding ozone. Option first is ozone is formed from oxygen in the presence of ultraviolet radiation. Second है ozone like oxygen is a life supporting gas. Third है ultraviolet radiation causes skin cancer. And fourth is ozone is a deadly poison. तो incorrect statement बतानी है इसमें कौन सी incorrect statement है second, ozone like oxygen is a life supporting gas. Next question, which writ is issued by the High Court or Supreme Court when a lower court considers a case going beyond its jurisdiction? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है प्रोहिबिशन। सेकंड, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following articles enshrines the directive principle as a fundamental in the government of the country and require the state to apply these principles in making laws? क्वेश्चन थर्ड का करेक्ट आंसर है दैट इज सेकंड, आर्टिकल 37. Article 37 of the Indian Constitution state the directive principle of the state policies are not enforceable by any court. Question 4. Which crop is also known as golden fiber? Which crop is also known as golden fiber? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है जूट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, fifth, Dharampal of Pala dynasty was defeated by which of the following Rashtrakuta rulers? ये राष्ट्रकूटा रूलर्स। फिफ्थ का करेक्ट आंसर है फर्स्ट, ध्रुवा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following does not fall within the census of India definition of town? सिक्स क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है more than 75% of the population engaged in primary sector. Next question 7. From where does most of the reflected light rays enter the eyes? From where does the most of the reflected light rays enter the eyes? From the cornea, from the outer surface of the cornea. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है थर्ड, फ्रॉम द आउटर सरफेस ऑफ cornea. Next question, in which year did Lord Curzon arrive in India as viceroy? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 1899. Next question, in the field of education, this scheme Smagra Shiksha was the earlier scheme related to. In the field of education, this scheme Smagra Shiksha sums the earlier scheme related to. नाइन्थ का करेक्ट आंसर है ओनली द सर्व शिक्षा अभियान, राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा अभियान एंड टीचर एजुकेशन। टेंथ क्वेश्चन है, इन विच ईयर वॉज द राइट टू एजुकेशन एक्ट इम्प्लीमेंटेड? राइट टू एजुकेशन एक्ट कब इम्प्लीमेंट किया गया था? टेंथ का करेक्ट आंसर है इन 2010. Next question, which of the following author has written the famous novel Gulliver Travels? 11th का करेक्ट आंसर है First, Jonathan Swift, who has the power to grant pardon and reprieve, respites or remissions of punishment. पार्डन की पावर किसके पास है? तो पार्डन की पावर है प्रेसिडेंट के पास, अकॉर्डिंग टू द आर्टिकल 72 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 13. The Parliament can create or abolish the State Legislative Council on the recommendation of the Parliament can create or abolish the State Legislative Council on the recommendation of Legislative Assembly. Correct answer है Legislative Assembly. Third. 14. The thickness of the continental crust beneath the central Himalayas is of the order of dash, making the end of volcanic activity in the region. 14 का करेक्ट आंसर है 72 किलोमीटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who was the author of Rang Darwari? Rag Darwari. Who was the author of Rag Darwari? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सेकेंड, श्री लाल शुक्ला. Next question 16. Which farming technique was promoted by the Green Revolution against traditional farming? Which farming technique was promoted by the Green Revolution against the traditional farming? The correct answer है first, scientific farming. Next question. Question 17. The planned large-scale disruption of rail communications and the seizure of arms in the Bengal were undertaken under the leadership of, I repeat, the planned large-scale disruption of rail communication and the seizure of arms in Bengal were undertaken under the leadership of second, Jatin Mukherjee. 18 question है. The prime among the various sources of Aryan culture are ritual texts. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ritual texts या Vedic texts. 19 question. Under which function of the union budget does the government of India build roads and hospitals? Under which function of the union budget does the government of India build road and hospital? 19 का करेक्ट आंसर है allocation. 20 क्वेश्चन है. Who among the following presides over the joint sitting of Parliament? Who among the following preside the joint sitting of the Parliament? 20 का करेक्ट आंसर है 4. The Speaker of Lok Sabha. Article 108 of the Indian Constitution provide the joint sitting of both the houses of Parliament. और जो ज्वाइंट सिटिंग है वो कॉल की जाती है प्रेसिडेंट के द्वारा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 21. As per the census 2011, which of the following state has the lowest child sex ratio? Haryana. Haryana has the lowest child sex ratio, 834 per 1,000 males. Next question. Which of the following protocols is used to transfer file from one host to another over the internet? इसका आंसर है फाइल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल सेकेंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड विनर Maya Kudenkar is famous dancer of. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है लावणी. Next question. Which system was prevalent before the invention of money? Which system was prevalent before the invention of money? This correct answer है first barter system. इस सिस्टम में एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स किया जाता था. Next question 25. The amphibians of plant kingdom are virophytes. Correct answer is virophytes. 4. 26 question. Which of the following is the most famous folk dance of Bihar? बिहार का मोस्ट फेमस फोक डांस कौन सा है? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है जिजिया. थर्ड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who among the following become the first Indian musician to be honored with the Raman Magsaysay Award, which is considered to be Asia's Nobel Prize? 27 का करेक्ट आंसर है सेकंड MS सुब्बलक्ष्मी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 28. अमरावती स्तूपा इज लोकेटेड इन विच ऑफ दी स्टेट? अमरावती स्तूपा इनमें से किस स्टेट में लोकेट करता है? तो ये है आंध्र प्रदेश. करेक्ट आंसर इज आंध्र प्रदेश फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which month marked the approximate arrival of the monsoon in India? Which month marks the approximate arrival of the monsoon in India? 29 का करेक्ट आंसर है अर्ली जून. The duration of monsoon is between 100 to 120 days from early June to mid-September. Question 30. The first women organization of the India Bharat Stree Mahamandal was founded by. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है फर्स्ट. दैट इज सरला देवी चौधरानी. 31 है. वाशानामा was written by. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 4 अब्दुल हमीद लाहौरी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 32. Which of the following is used to identify every computer in the internet? इनमें से किस चीज का यूज किया जाता है टू आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए एवरी कंप्यूटर ऑन इंटरनेट? तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है IP एड्रेस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रेगुलेट इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड? इनमें से कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो रेगुलेट करती है इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड? करती है WTO वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर्म हुई थी 1995. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 34. The directive principle of the state policy resembles the instrument of instruction in the. Directive principle of the state policy resemble the instrument of instruction in the. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1935. डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द स्टेट पॉलिसी हमने ली है आयरलैंड से. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 35. Which festival is celebrated on the last day of Hindu month of Shravan to mark the end of monsoon season in the western coastal area of India? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है Narali Purnima. Second. 36th question. In 1882, the headquarters of the Theosophical Society was established at. In 1882, the headquarters of the Theosophical Society was established at. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 18. फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following constitutional amendment acts made it a fundamental duty of parents to educate their child? फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी बतानी जो पेरेंट्स की टू एजुकेट देयर चाइल्ड. तो ये इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 86 अमेंडमेंट एक्ट. थर्ड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द 25 pounder in the context of celebration in Republic Day parade? What is the 25 pounder in the context of celebration in the Republic Day parade? This correct answer है 7-gun salute of Indian Army. 7-gun salute of Indian Army. Next question. The construction of the iron pillar at Mehroli was undertaken by the ruler of which of the following dynasty? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 4 गुप्ता डायनेस्टी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन एम्फीबियन एनिमल? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन एम्फीबियन एनिमल? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है थर्ड टॉर्टोइज. Next question, 41. In which of the following styles of temple architecture in the Shikha called the Diol? 41 का करेक्ट आंसर है फर्स्ट ओडिशा. 42. Which of the following measures is not related to the tax reform measures undertaken during the liberation phase? Which of the following measure is not related to the tax reform measures undertaken during the liberation phase? 42 का करेक्ट आंसर है थर्ड devaluation of rupees. Next question, 43. Which unusual flavor is obtained in dairy products due to formation of ethyl ester catalyzed by esterases produced by lactic acid bacteria? 43 का करेक्ट आंसर है for fruity flavor. Next question. In which of the following years was sati, the practice of widow burning, banned in India? 44 का करेक्ट आंसर है फर्स्ट 1829. Lord William Bentinck making the practice of sati illegal in all of the British India. Next question. In which Olympic did the Peshawar Jadhav the first Indian win in the individual Olympic medals for India? 45 का करेक्ट आंसर है सेकेंड 1952 हेलेंस्की ओलंपिक्स. Next question, 46. The infant mortality rate is defined as the number of deaths of infant is less than 1 year per dash lived in a given year. Correct answer is the 1000. Which of the following shortcut is used to select a paragraph in MS Excel? पैराग्राफ सिलेक्ट करने के लिए MS वर्ड में किसका यूज किया जाता है? तो ये है फर्स्ट, दैट इज ट्रिपल क्लिक ऑन अ पैराग्राफ। इसका यूज किया जाता है ट्रिपल क्लिक ऑन अ पैराग्राफ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ईयर्स was the 12th plan completed? In which of the following year was the 12th plan completed? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 2017। फोर्थ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज अ connection to glacial landform? Which of the following has a connection to a glacial landform? That is Horns. Correct answer है Horns. Next question. Which of the following refers to the intersection of columns and row in a worksheet of MS Excel? Intersection of rows और column को क्या बोला जाता है? It is cell. Next, English section. Question 51. Select the most appropriate option for the given blank. Let us dash. A meeting is to discuss this issue. Let us dash a meeting to discuss this issue. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है call. Let us call a meeting to discuss this issue. Next question 52. In the following question, out of the given four alternatives, select the alternative which best expresses the meaning of item and phrases. To stand once ground. To stand once ground का मतलब है to refer to change opinion, to refuse to change opinion. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 4, to refuse to change opinion. 53. Choose the word that means the same as the given word. Choose the word that means the same as the given word. Curious. Curious का हमें सिनोनिम बताना है. Curious का सिनोनिम है 44. For interested. Choose the word that is opposite in meaning to given word. Choose the word that is opposite to the given word. Advocacy. 54 का करेक्ट आंसर है 4, dear. 55. Select the sentence which has no spelling error. 55 का करेक्ट आंसर है 3rd. After anchoring the wind was variable and light from the western quarter. After anchoring the wind was variable and light from the western quarter. Next question. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given item. Do the I's and cross the T's. Dot the I's and cross the T's. 56 का correct answer है first. To do something carefully. Dot the I's and cross the T's. To do something carefully. Next question. Select the most appropriate option from the given blank. The raging waters dash the tiny village. 57 का करेक्ट आंसर है सेकेंड, सबमर्ज. 58. Select the word segment that substitute or replace the bracket word segment correctly and completes the sentence meaningfully. Select the option no correction required if the sentence is correct as given. This must be it. It's the counterside might be that is our holiday home, she added hopefully. 58 का करेक्ट आंसर है सेकेंड, countryside perhaps this is our. Countryside perhaps this is ours. Next question. Find the part of given sentence that has error in it. If there is no error, choose no error. The good news is that many large cities have begun to heed climate change warning warning signs. The good news is that many large cities have begun to heed climate change warning. 59 का करेक्ट आंसर है सेकंड. लार्ज सिटीज have begin to large cities has began to have begun is a BEGUN आएगा begin की जगह will. Next question. Find the part of this given sentence that has an error in it. If there is no error, choose no error. I can't tell you how brilliant his lately idea were. I can't tell you how brilliantly his lately ideas were. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सेकंड. lately ideas were. lately ideas were की जगह यहाँ पे यूज किया जाएगा recent ideas. Next question. Choose the most appropriate antonyms of the underlined word. I think my English is too cheap, chiefly owing to depressing influence of town air and town scenes. 61 का करेक्ट आंसर है फर्स्ट वेलनेस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 62. Replace the bracketed word with one of the given option which suitably replace the word without changing the meaning of the sentence. In the age of technology, a smartphone has become infiltrating every aspect of our life from communication and work to entertainment and even our daily routines. 62 का करेक्ट आंसर है 4. omnipresent. Omnipresent means present everywhere. Next question. 63. Improve the underlined part of the sentence. Choose no improvement as an answer if the sentence is grammatically correct. Dogs can be more easily domesticated and trained. Dog can be more easily domesticated and trained. 63 का करेक्ट आंसर है 2. easily domesticated. Next question. Select the incorrect spelled word from the given sentence. Common sense, uncontroversial ideas tends to diminish when attention has moved elsewhere. 64 का करेक्ट आंसर है थर्ड. uncontroversial. Uncontroversial is correctly spelled. Next question. 65. Find the part of the given sentence that has an error in it. If there is no error, choose no error. He had decided to playing until that score reached 43,000. He had decided to playing until that score reached 43,000. 65 का करेक्ट आंसर है playing until that score. Playing until that score. Next question. Sentence of the paragraph are given below in a jumble order. Arrange the sentence in the correct order to form a meaningful and coherent paragraph. The first is that they always share machinery and goods as needed without a hitch. Next, then they had the first serious quarrel in 40 years of farming side by side, and unfortunately, the long collaboration fell apart. Next, two brothers lived on adjoining farms in a school village. तो इसकी हमने करेक्ट सीक्वेंस बतानी है. 66 की इसकी करेक्ट सीक्वेंस है DABC. Two brothers lived on adjoining farm in a small village. They always shared machinery, goods as needed without a hitch. They had the first serious quarrels in 40 years of farming side by side, and unfortunately the long collaboration fell apart. Next question. 67. Arrange the statement in the correct order to make a meaningful paragraph. इसका फर्स्ट है impressed with Jane patience with the animal, he chose her for mission to understand the chimpanzees. In 1957, she went to Kenya where she met with the British paleoanthropologist Louis Leakey. As a child, she would wait for hours to observe a chicken laying an egg. D है इसका. Jane Goodell grew up in the English town of the Brownie Mount. 67 की करेक्ट सीक्वेंस है DCBA. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ये हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. थैंक यू सो मच वीडियो देखने के लिए. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. थैंक यू.